So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the automatic transmission fluid level in pretty much any kind of vehicle. This one happens to be a 2008 Kia Sedona, has a 3.3 in it, and it does have an automatic transmission fluid level dipstick. So to show you how to do this, what I'm going to show you is general automotive repair, and you can apply these techniques to pretty much any vehicle on the road if it has a dipstick for the automatic transmission fluid. My Expedition has a little tiny one that's a different procedure. This is kind of a procedure for older cars and stuff like that. The stuff that's coming out new now is a little more different, but if you got an older vehicle, this should apply to your car. So the first thing you want to do is locate where the automatic transmission dipstick is. On this car, it happens to be near the rear of the motor on the driver's side. It might be on a different location if you have like an old T-Bird or an old Ford pickup or something like that. But it's right here on this vehicle. If you can't find it, check your owner's manual if you have one for the vehicle, and it should tell you in there. So on most vehicles, not all of them, on most, they typically want you to put the vehicle in neutral with it running and up to operating temperature so you can check the fluid level. So that's what we're going to do now. Again, if you have the owner's manual, double check in there to see if the procedure is different. Sometimes it even says on a dipstick. I know on some Jeeps it does. It says to put the Jeep in like neutral and check the fluid level in neutral with the transmission fluid level with the engine warmed up. So right now I'm going to start the car, put the emergency brake on, put it in neutral, and we'll check the fluid level. Alright, so what you want to do is get yourself a rag to wipe the dipstick off, pull the transmission dipstick out, wipe it. Make sure there's no fluid on it so you get a clean reading. Stick it back in, let it bottom out. Pull it back out and check your fluid level. Now on this dipstick, there's a couple of notches and there should be on yours as well. So right here between these two notches is a safe area. I'm within the safe area on this one, and if the vehicle is cold, the safe area is down here. So I don't need to add any more fluid. If you have a different vehicle, there should be like a crosshatch section that the fluid should be in. And if you need to add any fluid, you want to get yourself like a transmission fluid funnel. You can put it in the tube, and you can top it off a little bit at a time with whatever transmission fluid your vehicle recommends. Top it off a little bit at a time. You don't want to overfill it. Double check your readings. And then once you're up to the proper level, put the dipstick back in, and you should be good to go. Hope the video helped you out. If you guys have a question, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.